Good evening or good morning or whatever time it is where you're at. Right now it's evening here. Yeah, things are falling in the back seat. You're probably wondering where I'm headed now. Actually, I'm headed down to the boat. Our boat is on land for the winter season, but we got some rough winds here the other day, and got to check on the scaffolding and the coverage of the boat. I've heard it's not looking all right anymore, because of the winds, of course. Heard by a co-worker it's some kind of rift in the coverage and stuff, so I'll see if I can fix it. I've brought some tools and some rope, and we'll see how far I get. Also, I want to spend this time in the car to thank you all for subscribing and viewing my videos. It's something I appreciate a lot. Last time I saw the boat, it was pretty much filled with snow everywhere, but it's melted away now, much of it anyway. One car already parked. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, I can drive down here. There is the boat. Hard to see. I got lights with me. Oh, it's icy. I do not have four-wheel drive. I have a front-wheel drive. Shut up. Huh, look at the water. Okay. You can't even see it. Yeah, it doesn't look very good. It does not look very good at all. Let's park it. Let's see what happens. I think I'll have to go on board to see what this is. From here it looks like it just tilted a bit. And with that it tilted backwards, so we'll see if I can get inside. Just, yeah, you can see it's tilted all the way down there. Let's see if you can climb up. The rope. Let's climb up. Yeah, you can see it's not all right here. It's also tilting backwards where I stand. The wind really did a good job here. Oh, there's rope everywhere. So you can see it's not the way it's supposed to be. like this. You see these two? They're supposed to be kind of stretched out. See these knots up there. This might be a messy video, but I'm doing my best. Like this. Just pushing that out. It's not here. Still see. Do like that. Some tools. So I grab my tools. That seemed to be the right one. It fell right down. I want this up there. Going to this one. It will fall down. Yeah. And the whole thing comes crumbling down. I feel these are able to fly away. I'm not sure what I do. Maybe I should try to just get it there instead. Kind of lift it. Then I could do the same thing here. And I would have to check the legs outside too. Yeah, it looks better. Not perfect, but looks better. I would have to check on the outside too. You see that? I saw it when I tried to go down earlier. This rift. Yeah. We can't have that one there. We have to fix that. So it's quite big too. See these? These are amazing. See the ring there? Other piece there, and then I need another one right there. I could do like this, press them together with the hooks, but I think I will have a rope on this one, having that down, and a rope on this one, having that over this bar. Let's see how that works. So it might look a bit weird, but I end up having to use one rope. It's not the best place to stand here. It's quite steep. So I have this knot, and this one, it goes around the bar and into this one. This one is holding there, and the rest will hold it there. I'm taking it down to that bar there. It is. That's great. tight, make it tight. Like that. It's not that tight, but it will hold. Fortunately, there is a hole there too. Not much to do with that. Bring the light outside. Now, I've decided to be part of the rope. It looks way better now. Quite good actually. As you can see, we have these all the way because these metal loops are easily pulled out from the coverage here. And see that one too. Okay, on with the seat belt. It's so slippery here, so icy. Let's see if we can get up. I need some. I'm probably stuck here forever. That would be neat. Oh, I see there's some gravel there. Oh, fuck. This will be fun. Yeah, as it turns out, it's too much ice here for me to get up. I'm stuck. It looks quite nice it looked quite nice when I drove down here, but now it's, yeah, I'm stuck. I tried 10 times. So now I've called my parents, and my mom will come down with something to put on ice. Maybe it helps a bit. Yeah. This is where I'm at this point. I got up here with no help. So let's see if I'm stuck there or not. Okay, so I'm back in the car. I've been looking around the car, and I think if I might just turn the car all over to the right and put it in drive, I might be able to, or maybe I get even more stuck. I have no idea. Or set it in reverse, maybe. Slowly back. No, not slowly backwards. That does not work. In drive, I'll get over there. That didn't work the way I wanted it to. Let's set it in reverse again. I'll turn it all the way to the left. Nope, stuck. Try the other way. Yeah, it's so slippery here. Sorry the language. This is fun. I haven't been stuck in years, actually. So, yeah, guess I'll have to wait for help to arrive. As you can see, I managed to get up. It only took about half an hour, but yeah, here I am. With some help, used some ashes from the fireplace. Yeah, I managed to fix the scaffolding and so on the boat pretty well. I have to get back when it's light, of course, daylight. But I think it will hold for this season. We need a new coverage next season, that's for sure. That's for sure. Well, so long guys, bye.